10 gentle ways to teaching your children good manners. Manners aren't taught with words, they're taught with presence. 10 laws, used by parents who never raise their voice and never need to. 1. The law of calm authority. Never raise your voice, lower it. A quiet voice commands attention because it removes the drama a child expects. Children escalate to match your energy. Refuse to give them energy to match. 2. The law of modeled behavior. Children don't listen to your words, they copy your posture. Say please, say thank you, say it to the waiter, the cashier, the neighbor, every day without asking your child to do the same. They will, eventually, because they were never taught, they were shown. 3. The 2-minute rule. Don't lecture. State the expectation in under 10 words, then walk away. Long explanations don't teach. They invite negotiation, and negotiation is where authority quietly dies. 4. The law of eye-level correction. Kneel to their height when you correct them. Standing over a child reads as an attack. An attack triggers defense, not learning. At eye level, correction becomes connection. 5. The law of immediate praise. Catch them being polite. Name it out loud. Within seconds. Delayed praise loses its weight. A thank you for asking so nicely, said the moment it happens, rewires behavior faster than any punishment ever could. 6. The law of consistent consequence. The rule does not change with your mood. A boundary that shifts by the day teaches nothing but confusion. Children don't rebel against rules. They rebel against inconsistency. 7. The law of private correction. Never correct manners in front of friends or family. Public correction breeds shame. Shame doesn't build character, it builds resentment. Pull them aside. Speak low. Let their dignity stay intact. 8. The law of the practice loop. Rehearse the polite phrase before the real moment, before the birthday party, before the restaurant, before the phone call to grandma. Manners are not memory, they are muscle memory. 9. The law of ownership. Let them apologize in their own words, not yours. A forced sorry teaches performance. A chosen apology teaches conscience. 10. The law of the long game. Manners built through fear disappear the moment you leave the room. Manners built through respect follow them for life. Into classrooms, into friendships, into the person they become at 25, 40, 60, long after they've forgotten your name for what it felt like to be scolded and remembered only what it felt like to be respected. That's the difference. Fear raises a child who performs. Calm raises a child who becomes. 10 laws. No yelling required. Comment respect if you're raising your kids the calm way. Follow for the next law every calm parent should know.